In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently restore multiple deleted items at once. This can be a real lifesaver when you've accidentally deleted files that you didn't mean to, or perhaps you're doing some cleaning but need to rescue important data that you might have overlooked. So, let's get started and simplify this recovery process. First, you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of your screen, where you should be able to see your profile icon. Click on that icon. This is your entry point, and from here, you can access various settings and options related to your account. By clicking on the profile icon, you'll have a drop-down menu or a list of options, one of which is your trash, sometimes referred to as the recycle bin. Go ahead and click on trash. The trash serves as a temporary storage for items you've deleted, and fortunately, retrieving items from here is straightforward if you act in time. Consider the trash your safety net. It holds onto those deleted items just in case you need them back. In the trash, you'll see a list of all the items you've deleted. Now, this is where the magic of multiple recovery happens. Look for small check boxes next to each deleted item. Click on the boxes of the items you wish to restore. This action essentially selects the files, putting them on standby for restoration. Be mindful here. Selecting only the items you truly want to restore is crucial. You wouldn't want to end up restoring items that were meant to stay deleted. Once you've selected your desired items, keep an eye out for the Restore button. This button usually sits prominently at the top or the bottom of your list of selected items. Give it a click. What this does is initiate the process of moving those items back to their original places in your account or file system. It's like waving a magic wand and bringing those items back to life and back to where they were before. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've restored multiple deleted items all at once. It's important to know where the restore function is, especially when dealing with business-critical data or personal projects that you thought were lost forever. Always double-check that your restored items are back in their rightful place and functioning as expected. If for any reason you have difficulty finding the restore option, or if the items aren't appearing, ensure that your system permissions and settings allow for full restoration. I hope you found this walkthrough easy and helpful. Remember, making sure you're familiar with your platform's restore features can save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. Thank you for watching.